上個月成功將一架失去動力嘅客機急降喺紐約哈德遜河，保住全機人性命嘅機師薩倫帕格同4名機員獲紐約市長彭博頒贈金鎖匙表揚。彭博喺頒贈儀式上再一次讚揚機師同機組人員嘅表現，形容佢哋係真正嘅英雄，並且代表全紐約嘅民眾多謝佢哋。
There to keep us safe, and I think they demonstrated that they do. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all New Yorkers, I want to thank you. Thank you for saving so many lives. Thank you for sparing our city and so many families from an awful tragedy. And thank you for renewing our faith in the strength of human spirit.
而一直被傳媒同公眾大力表揚嘅主角機師薩倫帕格就將功勞歸功於全體機組人員。
Since the last 3 weeks began have been about one person, and I want to correct the record right now. This was a crew effort. Our crew of 5, as well as the first responders here in New York and the cooperation of the passengers, made this successful emergency landing possible.
機組人員就話，今次事件為多年嚟面臨財政困難嘅航空業帶嚟一次正面嘅影響。而佢哋亦都表示非常樂意盡快回到工作崗位。今次事件發生喺上個月，當時由薩倫帕格駕駛嘅客機喺紐約上空懷疑2個引擎吸入着了，失去動力。飛機其後用滑翔嘅方式急降喺哈德遜河，機上155人最後全部安全獲救。